Good morning for this Wednesday, July 23rd, and you can see right here the E-Mini S&P 500 futures contract. I am currently long this market. As you can see, the market opened up from yesterday, right? Opened up right in here, closed right here. We traded down. We almost filled that gap, and we've bounced up pretty nicely, okay? And so my take on this market is the market will indeed retest today's opening 3-minute high right in here. All right. So the high of today is 1981 even. Okay, 1981 even. All right. So today's high is an all-time high in the E-Mini S&P 500. We took out the all-time high by about 50 cents. Okay, yesterday's high. We took out yesterday's high on that opening, and since we didn't really, we tried to fill the gap, right? It closed officially yesterday. It closed at 1974.5. It traded down to 75 3/4 and bounced all the way back up here. So my take on this again, since yesterday's high, 1980.5, right? We took that out by 50 cents, traded down, and now we're back up. So again, my take on this is that we're going to retest today's high, and we will most likely break up through that high. All right. So again, took a position up in here, and my stop on that, I'm actually going to give it a little room. I'm going to put the stop down here below this pivot low. Okay, below the 76 3/4. And I'm going to look for a bigger move to the upside. I'm going to see if this market can test, right? If we can test this high, I will take off a few, and then I'll wait to see if we can break up through the high. So let's give it some time. I'm going to pause the video. Oh, shit. 81. All right, so I'm back, and look at the market's testing the high just like I thought, right? So let's now put an order in to sell 7 contracts at 80 3/4. Here, let me put this order in, 80 3/4. And here we go.
Order filled.
All right, look at that, folks. So we took 7 off of the 10 E-Mini contracts, okay? We locked in $350 in the last few minutes. Now we've broken up through today's high, just as anticipated when I put this trade on about 9 minutes ago, okay? So now I have 3 contracts left. We've made a new high. So the first 3-minute bar gap opening today put in a new all-time E-Mini S&P high in 1981, right? Now we're up through that high after pulling back, trying to fill that gap. We've rallied up through the high. Now we're up to 81.5 and rallying, okay? 81.5, right on the highs of the day. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video, but I'm going to go ahead and place that sell stop order, locking in profits that we already have. So I'm looking for this market to move higher now, okay? So I'll be right back with you. All right, I'm back with you now. Look at this. Market is at higher now, 82.5 and rallying. Look at this bar. So look at my sell stop order. I've got a trailing stop now at 80 3/4, which is just 1 tick under the high that was put in place first thing in the morning, okay? So now I'm locking in more profits on the remaining 3 contracts. So I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna try to remain as patient as possible. I'm gonna trail the stop up as it moves higher. If it doesn't, that's fine. I'll be taken out at 1980 3/4. We're trading at 1982.5 right now. If I'm taken out, that's fine. So we're gonna give it a little bit more time here to run. See what we can do. I'll be right back with you. All right, I am back with you, and the market is running. I love it. So I've got 7 left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cancel the orders I have in now because I don't want to have a sell stop. I'm going to take that out. As you can see, it just disappeared. I'm going to take 5 more off at 82.5 here. I don't know what that, 82.5. 82 3. Let's see if we can do a limit at 82 3/4. Here we go. I've got a working order and 5 at 83 right at the high of the day, 83 even to take 5 more off. All right, so I am out of 5 more contracts at 83 even, as you can see. Look at, we've locked in so far. We've locked in $837. I've got let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 2 contracts left, so I'm going to move the quantity down to 2, and I'm going to watch this very closely. I'll be back with you, okay? This market is rallying exactly as expected. And look at this, 83.5. We're in all-time new E-Mini S&P 500 territory. And we're going to try to milk this for as much as it's worth. So I'll be right back. All right, so right now you see that I have a sell stop for the remaining 2 contracts right here at 1982.25. All right, that is my trailing stop. So far I've had a nice run. We bought it here. We took partial profits here. We took a lot more profits up in here, or rather up in here, right, from this. Not bad. And we've got a sell stop at 1982.75, or 1982.25, which is 1 tick below the prior bar's low of 82.5. So we're going to trail it up. So if we're knocked out, that's fine. We've already closed out a profit today, okay, of $837.50. We've closed that out already, okay? So we've got two contracts left, and we'll see what we can do, okay? We're at 82.5 right now. We're 1 tick away of getting stopped out with 2 contracts. And let's just watch this real close and see what happens here. All right. Again, we're in all-time new high territory in the E-Mini S&P 500. All right. All right, 82.5. Let's see. Right, we got the stop order in at 82.25. It's just sitting there. It's a sell stop order. All right, here we go. 82.75, 82.5, 82.5. Let's see. What's this? All right, blow this up a little bit more. All right. Sitting at 82.5, 82.5, 82.75. All right, let's just see here. Again, bought it there. All right, order was filled, if you could hear that. Here, let's just take this off and you can see it. Okay, there we go. So what did we end up netting out here? We closed at close profit and loss right here. All right, so not a bad trade, and we will. All right, so that's the trade. You have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.